Using Virtual Researcher on call, teachers can connect students to researchers from around the world. In chemistry, we've chatted with a professor on green chemistry and talking about the importance of students entering into chemistry with a global green perspective. Using ClearSea, a video conferencing software, we're allowed to connect from professors from North America to around the world.
Successful in the lab scale, it will take 3-4 years. And if it is successful, then you will go to the industry.
Using wikis such as PBWorks allows us to participate in projects such as Global Teenager Project. We're using digital learning circles and global collaboration to answer major world issues. Students introduce themselves on the wiki in a global form that allow us to get to know each other's cultures and differences between our students. These students have introduced themselves to other students around the world. They've also then posed questions about fertilizers and see how it affects the environment around the world. They've then also answered questions from another group.
We have Earth Day, and in Earth Day what we do is basically small things that around our classroom and in our homes, such as turning off lights, recycling paper. We have a battery bake sale at school.
In Kenya, we have many languages like learn English, which is main language, and Kiswahili, and also the tribe languages like Kikuyu. So, in your school, which languages do you learn?
We use other sites other than Moodle as well. Google Sites offers a great platform to host a class website. On the side, you can have all the different classes that you're teaching. The students can then access their class to view calendars of important dates as well as their homework, and a file cabinet that allows for lessons to be posted.
Virtual laboratory simulations through websites like explorelearning.com allow students to complete genuine inquiry, where they're free to experiment without any concerns for safety or cost. Students get immediate results and can control the conditions of the experiment with a level of control that you couldn't get in the real laboratory.
Using wikis, students can create fluid documents that allow them to make changes throughout a unit of a course. For this unit, students were required to pick a power source and promote it to the mayor if a new island opened in Lake Ontario. They'd have to use critical thinking skills. Using online simulations such as PhET, students can manipulate circuits and create elaborate designs where they can test out relationships such as V equals IR and other concepts that are sometimes hard to grasp. Here, students can add extra light bulbs and complete parallel circuits showing the flow of electrons. Especially in science, we look at things at the really big scale as well as very small. This simulation allows students to go through and change the scale of objects to see how small things actually are we're working with. To try and find the size of an atom, a student can compare common things that they have a concept of and refer to things like atoms, protons, viruses, and different wavelengths of light, and they can explore at their leisure to see exactly what these things look like.